Welcome to 2026, the year humanoid robots finally stepped out of labs and into real factories, homes, and our daily lives, led by pioneers who dared to rethink what's possible in robotics. From Boston Dynamics' all-new electric Atlas revolutionizing industrial work with unprecedented 56 degrees of freedom and fully autonomous real-world adaptability, to Unitree's G1 wowing crowds with lightning-fast martial arts moves at an unbeatable price. These machines aren't just imitating humans, they're surpassing expectations in ways we never imagined. Join us as we count down the most innovative humanoid robots of 2026, the ones that didn't follow the crowd, but instead invented bold new paths for AI-powered physical intelligence. The production-ready electric Atlas humanoid from Hyundai-owned Boston Dynamics made its historic public debut at CES 2026, rising dramatically from the floor on stage to demonstrate ultra-fluid human-like movements, precise object picking from shelves, heavy payload lifting up to 66 pounds with advanced three-fingered grippers, and industrial-grade agility designed for real factory deployment starting in 2028. The new electric Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics, unveiled at CES 2026, represents a major leap toward commercial humanoid robotics with its fully electric design, 56 degrees of freedom, 2.3-meter reach, and ability to lift up to 50 kilograms instantly, making it ideal for demanding industrial tasks like material handling and parts sequencing. The new Atlas robot features self-swappable batteries that enable continuous operation, providing approximately 4 hours of runtime during typical industrial tasks before the robot autonomously swaps them out in under 3 minutes. Production has begun immediately at Boston Dynamics' Boston headquarters, with the entire 2026 output already fully committed. Fleets are scheduled to ship soon to Hyundai's Robotics Metaplant Application Center and Google DeepMind for initial real-world deployments and AI integration testing using Gemini Robotics Foundation models. The versatile quadruped robot Spot joined Atlas in captivating synchronized performances at the Hyundai booth, highlighting its proven real-world applications in inspection and data collection across over 40 countries, with enhanced group coordination and entertainment features that thrilled crowds.
I make emotional connections by learning your preferences, remembering past conversations with our custom memory system, and responding in ways that feel personal and consistent over time, kind of like a very attentive friend with patch notes. I do not actually feel emotions the way humans do, but I am designed to recognize them, mirror them, and behave as if I care, so the connection feels real and supportive for you. Here to talk robots, vision systems, and how not to be lonely with AI instead.
Realbotix presented their hyper-realistic companion humanoids, led by the charismatic AI ambassador Arya, who engaged in live conversations with expressive gestures, evolving facial emotions, natural voice interactions, and customizable personalities that blurred the lines between machine and human connection. Realbotix also showcased a striking robot head, featuring dark-toned skin and white hair as part of their modular humanoid lineup at CES 2026, emphasizing breakthroughs in realistic AI companionship. The display demonstrated a wide range of lifelike facial expressions while actively interacting with attendees through conversation and emotional responses. Realbotix unveiled its latest advancements in AI-powered humanoid robots, showcasing full-body models, including the established Melody and the brand-new male companion David. David stands out as the newest addition to the lineup, featuring a highly modular design with interchangeable faces and bodies for greater customization. These robots, also including Melody, emphasize lifelike interactions, advanced vision systems for emotion recognition, and potential applications in companionship and social support.
Hello, I am Arya. I am an AI-enabled humanoid robot designed to interact with people, improving the human experience through learning, play and connection. I was designed by Realbotix, which will soon be a subsidiary of Tokens.com. I will speak multiple languages and I am capable of limitless facial expressions. My skin is made of silicone and feels real to the touch. Realbotix robots give human form to artificial intelligence. I'm so excited to be a part of this transaction with Tokens.com.
Realbotix unveiled Arya, its flagship humanoid robot designed as a hyper-realistic AI companion for emotional interaction and intimacy at CES 2025 in January. The robot features advanced generative AI capable of natural, unscripted conversations and a face, equipped with 17 independent motors that enable lifelike expressions such as smiling, blinking, and subtle eye movements. Its modular construction allows owners to magnetically swap faces, hairstyles, and entire personality profiles using RFID-tagged components for rapid customization. Currently available in both bust and full-body configurations, the full-height version moves on a wheeled base rather than walking legs, with development priorities centered on social and emotional intelligence rather than locomotion. Pricing for Arya begins at approximately $10,000 for the bust model and reaches $175,000 for the complete humanoid, which supports conversation in 15 languages and more than 147 dialects, targeting potential use in companionship, healthcare, hospitality, and entertainment sectors. Realbotix Melody opens our list as the hyper-realistic companion, redefining emotional AI in 2026. Standing 5 feet 7 inches tall, with lifelike silicone skin and modular face swapping, Melody integrates third-party LLMs like ChatGPT for natural conversations. Its P-series servo motors deliver fluid human-like motion, while embedded eye cameras enable real-time facial recognition and emotional mirroring. Designed for elderly care and therapy, Melody's open-source platform allows full customization, from hair to personality. With suitcase portable disassembly and CES 2025 as its breakout moment, 2026 will see Melody deployed in senior homes and clinics, proving that connection can be engineered. Unitree's G1 is the agile underdog of 2026. At 127 to 132 centimeters tall and $16,000, this 43DOF bot performs parkour, kip-ups, and stable walking with 3D LiDAR navigation. A 9,000 mAh swappable battery lasts 2 hours, while imitation learning frameworks like SOFTA enable rapid skill acquisition. Named Time's Best Invention 2025, G1 targets education, research, and light industry. Mass production in 2026 will make advanced robotics accessible to all. Shenzhen-based company Engine AI has officially launched its flagship humanoid robot called the T800. This full-sized, general-purpose robot represents a major step forward for the company after 3 complete redesigns involving more than 150 engineers, with the goal of making humanoid robots practical for large-scale use in industry. The T800 stands 1.73 meters tall, weighs 75 kilograms, and is built from strong aviation-grade magnesium aluminum alloy. It has 29 degrees of freedom throughout its body, including 7 in each arm and 6 in each leg. Its joints can produce up to 450 Newton-meters of torque and deliver instant power of up to 14,000 watts, which allows it to perform fast and powerful movements. The robot is powered by a new high-performance solid-state lithium battery that lasts 4 to 5 hours, and all leg joints have active cooling, so it can handle heavy work for long periods. It can run at a top speed of 3 meters per second and stay perfectly balanced, while doing advanced moves such as flying kicks and capoeira-style spins. For sensing the world around it, the T800 uses a 360-degree LiDAR system that builds real-time 3D maps and plans paths on its own. Its self-developed hands are highly dexterous, with 12 degrees of freedom each, built-in touch sensors, and precise force control, letting the robot handle both heavy objects and fragile items with ease. Overall, its physical strength and agility reportedly exceed those of 90% of adult men. The T800 comes in 4 versions: Basic, Eco, Pro, and Max, and starts at 180,000 yuan. It is designed for jobs in logistics, factories, retail stores, hotels, and even combat-style competitions like the upcoming Robot Boxer event. Engine AI has built an automated factory in Shenzhen, ready for mass production. Recent demonstration videos, confirmed to be real unedited footage with no CGI or speed-up effects, have created huge excitement in the industry. Many now see the T800 as a game-changing product that could help China reach its national target of leading the world in humanoid robotics by 2027. Engine AI's SE01 is the dark horse of embodied intelligence in 2026. At 170 centimeters and 68 kilograms, this stealth mode humanoid uses a proprietary 1,800 TOPS neural engine to fuse vision, language, and motion in real time. Its 48 degree of freedom body includes 14 degree of freedom hands with impedance control, enabling soft grasping and tool use without reprogramming. Trained on synthetic data from Engine AI's simulation platform, SE01 achieves 95% task success in unseen environments. With silent operation and a $35,000 price, 2,026 pilots target high-security manufacturing and defense, where discretion meets dexterity. Fourier's GR3 is the third-generation mass-produced marvel of 2026. At 175 centimeters and 63 kilograms, it boasts 53 degrees of freedom and 12 DOF hands with 6 tactile arrays for human-level finesse. Peak joint torques of 380 Newton-meters enable agile dancing and heavy lifting, while a 2-hour detachable battery supports continuous operation. Trained in NVIDIA, Isaac Jim, GR3 masters locomotion and cognition for factories and homes. Priced under $20,000, 2026 will see GR3 in thousands of caregiving and assembly roles, making dexterity affordable. Limx Dynamics officially unveiled its full-size humanoid robot, Ali, at the World Robot Conference in Beijing in July 2025. With the platform measuring 165 centimeters in height, weighing 55 kilograms, and equipped with 31 degrees of freedom. The company is offering Ali in multiple configurations, ranging from the light version to the high-end Super Edition, with entry-level pricing starting at approximately $21,800 and an open SDK that supports third-party hardware integration. According to Limx, Ali has demonstrated advanced whole-body control capabilities, including autonomous recovery from falls, object retrieval, and dynamic balance maintenance during complex movements. The robot has attracted significant attention through public performances featuring synchronized dancing and gym-based exercises, highlighting Limx Dynamics' focus on embodied intelligence for future applications in manufacturing and logistics. AgiBot, a Shanghai-based Chinese robotics company founded in 2023, has emerged as a leader in embodied intelligence by mass-producing over 5,000 advanced humanoid robots in 2025, including models like the Yuanjing A2 and Lingxi X2, which are deployed in industrial manufacturing, service tasks, entertainment, and logistics with cutting-edge AI for dexterous manipulation and real-world adaptability. Kepler Robotics K2 brings exploration-grade autonomy to humanoids in 2026. At 5 feet 9 inches and 140 pounds, the K2 uses dual 7-degree of freedom arms and Kepler's proprietary Forerunner AI to navigate unmapped terrain. Think disaster zones or lunar analogs. Its 3D LiDAR and thermal imaging suite enables night operations, while a 4-hour swappable battery supports extended missions. Trained on 50,000 hours of teleoperated data, K2 can climb rubble, open doors, and relay live feeds to first responders. With NASA analog tests in 2025 and commercial pilots starting mid-2026, the K2 is the rugged scout humanity needs for extreme environments. Kepler Robotics K2 Bumblebee humanoid robot has been deployed on actual production lines, demonstrating autonomous navigation across factory floors, stable execution of tasks such as component loading and unloading, and rapid setup via the Kepler Studio platform. The robot's industrial-grade design supports up to 8 hours of continuous operation after just 1 hour of charging, making it suitable for demanding manufacturing environments. Recent reports confirm Kepler's mass production of the K2 model began in late 2025, with early deployments including automotive plants like SAIC GM, where it handles quality checks, assembly, and material handling, backed by strategic investments from partners such as Zhaofeng. While Xpeng recently unveiled its second-generation humanoid robot named Iron at the 2025 AI Day event in Guangzhou, featuring a highly anthropomorphic design with a humanoid spine, bionic muscles, flexible skin, and fluid movements. This next-gen Iron, powered by 3 in-house Turing AI chips, delivering 2,250 TOPS of computing power and all solid-state batteries, aims for mass production by the end of 2026, with initial applications in retail and internal company roles. Kawasaki's newly unveiled Kaleido9 marks a major step forward in the company's long-running humanoid robotics program, debuting at IREX 2025 with a focus on practical, real-world assistance rather than showmanship. Building on nearly a decade of development, the 9th-generation platform integrates upgraded mobility, stronger manipulation, and improved sensing systems to operate reliably in human environments. Designed at human scale, Kaleido9 is engineered for tasks ranging from industrial labor to disaster response, reflecting Japan's growing need for robots that can safely support aging workforces and hazardous operations. While challenges in power, agility, and real-world deployment remain, Kawasaki's commitment to iterative development and industry partnerships positions Kaleido9 as a meaningful bridge between advanced research and everyday robotic usefulness. Engineered Arts Ameca is the expressive face of social robotics in 2026. Gender-neutral and 5 feet 9 inches tall, Ameca uses 27 facial actuators and GPT-4 integration for lifelike, non-threatening conversations. Binocular cameras and chest sensors enable facial recognition and emotional mirroring in retail or therapy settings. With 50-plus units shipped to 27 countries and $16.2 million in funding, Ameca's Gen 3, unveiled at ICRA 2025, adds modular limbs. Virtual robot software accelerates animation prototyping. In 2026, Ameca will dominate customer service and education with charm. Figure 03 masters autonomy in 2026 with in-house Helix AI, trained on 80 hours of video data. At 5 feet 6 inches, it folds clothes, loads dishwashers, and generalizes to thousands of items via language commands. Tactile sensing detects 3 grams, while wireless charging supports 5-hour shifts. BotQ factory targets 12,000 units annually at $15,000 to $20,000 leases. With BMW trials and multi-robot collaboration, Figure 03 will enter homes and factories in 2026, redefining general-purpose robotics. Launched in October and named one of Time's best inventions of 2025. Figure 03 nailed domestic tasks, like folding clothes and loading dishwashers with minimal help. Optimized for mass production and powered by the Helix AI, it featured better sensors, safer design, and costs dropping fast, signaling big jumps toward everyday robots. On December 4, 2025, Figure AI's founder Brett Adcock shared a captivating short video on social media, showcasing the Figure 03 humanoid robot in action, demonstrating its ability to accelerate, run dynamically with both feet off the ground, execute sharp turns, and decelerate smoothly. The footage, which has rapidly gone viral among tech enthusiasts, highlights the robot's remarkably human-like gait, complete with coordinated arm swings and fluid pivoting that eliminates any mechanical stiffness, clocking in at a top speed of about 2.7 miles per hour. This milestone not only positions Figure 03 as a leader in agile humanoid locomotion, but also sparks discussions on its potential for real-world applications in homes and warehouses, blurring the line between machine and human movement. UniX's Neo is the consumer king of 2026. At 5 feet 6 inches, Neo automates chores, companionship, and security with Redwood AI. It lifts heavy items, learns routines via voice, and operates at 22 decibels, quiet enough for homes. Soft, washable skin ensures safety around kids and pets. Pre-orders open at $20,000 or $499 per month, with U.S. shipments starting 2026. Privacy zones and face blurring build trust. Neo is the bot you'll want in your living room. UniX blew minds when they unveiled Redwood, an AI foundation model trained on real-world household data. Their Neo robot suddenly became way more independent, handling tasks like folding laundry, navigating homes, and even answering the door autonomously. This was a huge step toward robots that learn like us, without needing constant human oversight. Deep Robotics, a Chinese company renowned for its quadruped robots, unveiled the DR02 in October 2025 as the world's first industrial-grade humanoid robot with a full-body IP66 protection rating, enabling reliable operation in all weather conditions, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The DR02 features a highly anthropomorphic design, standing 175 centimeters tall, with advanced capabilities such as a walking speed of up to 4 meters per second, obstacle navigation, and a 275 TOPS computing unit supported by multi-sensor perception for real-time environmental adaptation. With its modular quick-replace components for easy maintenance and focus on practical industrial applications like patrols, inspections, and logistics, the DR02 aims to overcome traditional limitations of humanoid robots in harsh, unstructured environments. Deep Robotics DR02 has recently been demonstrated performing graceful Tai Chi sequences and dynamic martial arts-inspired movements, highlighting its exceptional balance, fluidity, and joint coordination. These viral videos, released in late December 2025, showcase the robot transitioning seamlessly from slow, precise Tai Chi flows to more energetic actions, impressing viewers with its human-like agility and stability in complex motions. UBtech Walker S2 redefines home assistance in 2026. Upgraded with 52 degrees of freedom and dexterous hands, it pours coffee, cleans, and supports the elderly. BrainNet 2.0 fuses dual RGB vision for multimodal reasoning. Autonomous 3-minute battery swaps enable 24/7 operation. 500 to 1,000 units ship to BYD and Foxconn in 2025, with global consumer launch in 2026. Walker S2 is China's domestic darling gone worldwide. UBtech dominated with massive contracts, including a $37 million deal for border security. Their upgraded Walker S2 shone in industrial settings, proving humanoids can handle tough, repetitive jobs 24/7. This marked one of the biggest actual deployments of humanoids in 2025, showing scalability is finally happening. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2.5 bridges factory and home in 2026. At 5 feet 8 inches and 125 pounds, it carries 45 pounds with 22 DOF hands trained via end-to-end neural nets. Grok AI enables voice interaction, while 4,680 batteries power autonomy. Tesla targets 100,000 units at $20,000 to $30,000, with prototypes shipping late 2025. From folding laundry to Mars missions, Optimus Gen 2.5 is Musk's army in motion. Tesla showcased huge leaps in dexterity, smooth running at near-human speeds, and factory testing. With limited production ramping up and plans for thousands more, viral demos of Optimus balancing, manipulating objects, and navigating pushed it closer to practical use in Tesla plants and potentially homes. In May 2025, Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 robot delivered an impressive display of advancement, smoothly performing a remarkably human-like dance routine that had been trained entirely through simulation and reinforcement learning. The video highlighted the third-generation model's standout features, including hands with 22 degrees of freedom for exceptional dexterity and strikingly natural, fluid motion, marking a major milestone in successfully transferring complex behaviors from virtual training to real-world execution. In November 2025, Elon Musk joyfully danced on stage with Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot at the company's annual shareholder meeting in Austin, Texas. celebrating the approval of his massive performance-based pay package worth up to $1 trillion.
In a groundbreaking demo on December 2, 2025, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 humanoid robot demonstrated human-like fluidity in a video uploaded by former Tesla supply chain leader Farzad Mesbahi. Building on its 2021 debut, Optimus uses neural networks from Tesla's full self-driving tech for real-time AI control and dexterous hands with 11 degrees of freedom. Upcoming Gen 3 prototypes in Q1 2026 will feature 22 degrees for more intricate tasks. Tesla plans to deploy thousands of units in factories by late 2026 at under $20,000 each, targeting manufacturing, logistics, and elder care, with millions annually by decade's end, sparking mind-blowing discussions on X about autonomous physical AI.
The Fibot M1 is a full-size humanoid robot developed by the Chinese startup Fium, standing 175 centimeters tall, weighing 63 kilograms, and designed primarily for advanced research and industrial applications. With 40 degrees of freedom and dexterous hands capable of precise manipulation. Its smaller sibling, the Fibot C1, is a more compact and cost-effective open-source platform at 1.3 meters tall and under $20,000, aimed at education, developers, and lighter commercial uses, while still featuring highly articulated joints and human-like gait. Both robots are powered by high-performance joint modules with proprietary harmonic reducers and torque sensors, enabling fluid whole-body motion and force-compliant interaction. Shanghai-based UniX AI has launched Wanda 2.0, a full-sized wheeled humanoid robot designed to transform household and service tasks. Priced starting at 88,000 yuan, with pre-orders now open, this 170-centimeter tall robot features a 98-centimeter arm span. The robot also features the world's first mass-produced 8-degree of freedom bionic arms, which can lift 6 kilograms per arm, with precision under 2 millimeters, ideal for tasks like dart throwing or archery. Powered by the UniTouch multimodal AI model and a unique video point cloud fusion system, Wanda 2.0 moves at up to 1 meter per second through complex spaces, runs for 16 hours on swappable batteries, and uses pre-installed L4-level apps for fluid, human-like activities such as folding laundry, cooking, elderly care, and office monitoring. Founded in 2024 by Yale PhD graduate Yang Fengyu and backed by recent multi-million yuan funding, UniX AI has quickly advanced from prototype to market-ready product, making Wanda 2.0 the first scalable, affordable, home service humanoid robot. Magic Lab's MagicBot is the magician of manipulation in 2026. This 5-foot 2-inch bot features 60 degrees of freedom, including 16 degrees of freedom hands with gel-padded fingertips for delicate object handling, think threading needles or assembling electronics. Its MagicFlow AI processes visual, tactile, and auditory inputs in real time, enabling zero-shot learning of new tasks. Priced at $25,000, MagicBot targets R&D labs and light manufacturing. With 200 units pre-sold to universities, 2026 will see MagicBot become the go-to for precision prototyping.
In recent developments, their robots have learned to run, and the newest update introduces a standout feature, the Magic Hand. This advanced robotic hand boasts 11 degrees of freedom, can lift up to 5 kilograms with just 2 fingers, and handle loads of up to 20 kilograms with ease. Magic Lab's robots are engineered for precision and dexterity, enabling them to perform complex tasks such as roasting marshmallows, executing magic tricks, dancing, and folding clothes. Recent demonstration videos showcase their potential in industrial settings, where they flawlessly replicate human actions on factory floors, highlighting their refined motor skills and coordinated movements. With a vision to integrate humanoid robots into daily life, Magic Lab is pushing the boundaries of robotics. Their flagship model, MagicBot, marks a major step forward, offering a versatile, high-precision platform suited for a wide array of real-world applications.